Hello, so welcome to this wonderful Enhancement 5 recording here. So here we're just going to just go over the front end checklist real quick, just knock that little guy out of the way. So here's like the beautiful admin page in all of its glory with all the wonderful bullet points and colors. Here's like all the CSS files. Yep, very fancy. No HTML errors and no CSS errors on that page. Cool. Well, now that that is out of the way, we're just going to log out there. Okay, so now we are in our beautiful home page. Let's try and log in here. So if I try and access the admin page before you're supposed to, you hit it there and be like, yeah, no, you can't go there. And it's like, cool. So then let's actually log in like a normal human being would. To a good old normal account, and then we see it takes us to the admin page. It's client level 1, and that link that it's supposed to show there does not show up. Solid. I can head back to the home here, and since we're still logged in, I can still click the welcome with the person's name. It'll take me back. But here, let's log out here, and now let's do one where we have a client level 3. So there we go. And I can't remember the password because I have other important things to remember in my life. So we're just going to copy that bad boy over here. And then we're going to, there it is, throw that bad boy in there. Oh, look, we got in. And boom, we got a little beautiful link there. And boom, click it there. And you get to the vehicle management page. But yes, so that is basically it. That just shows all the basic functionality of it. Again, we can still go back there and we log out and then switches back there. So, yep, that's the recording. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But thanks for watching and have a good day.